Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your data backup and recovery business. So you run data and backup recovery business in which you receive a lot of queries on a daily basis related to technician and data backup and recovery services. Manually handling all of these queries can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI assistant which will respond to all of these queries and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the AI assistant that I've created for our data backup and recovery business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI assistant, the user is supposed to send a specific message. Hey, I need help. And our AI assistant responds us with, of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? So here I'm going to ask my question as, what services do you offer? And our AI assistant responds us with, we specialize in following services: automated cloud data backups, disaster recovery solutions, secure server and system restoration, data protection for small enterprise business. If you have any specific questions about these services, feel free to ask. So here I'm going to ask another question. How does your recovery process work? And it responds us with, our recovery process works as follows: recovery request, then data retrieval, and then restoration. If you have more questions or need further details, just let me know. So here I'm going to ask my last question as, is my data secure with your service? And our AI assistant responds us with, absolutely. Your data security is our top priority. We use AES 256 encryption, multi-location backup servers, and adhere to ISO IEC 27001 standards for data security and compliance. If you have any more questions about our security measures, feel free to ask. So this is the AI assistant that we have created for our data backup and recovery business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now, to create an AI assistant, access this feature from here. And then to create a new AI assistant, simply click on Add AI Assistant. Here you have to provide AI assistant name as Data Backup and Recovery AI Assistant. Then click on Add AI Assistant. Here we will be redirected to this page. Here we have to select instruction type. When we click on it, we get a list of all the instruction type. I'm going to select AI agent and it will provide us instructions as primary functions and constants. Next, I'm going to move ahead with AI configuration, in which I'm going to set the temperature. Here it says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So I'm going to enhance the creativity level at 0.6. Select AI to use. I'm going to select OpenAI, and as model, I'm going to select GPT 4.0 Mini. Here we have to provide an API access token, and to generate one, we have to visit OpenAI API keys page. And it will redirect us to API keys page. And here we get a list of all the previously created API keys. To create a new one, click on Create New Secret Key. As Data and Recovery AI Assistant. Here I'm keeping the project setting as default, and then I'm going to click on Create Secret Key. And here we have provided a secret key which I'm going to copy and paste it in our API token. Then click on Connect and it responds us with OpenAI key saved successfully. Then I'm going to move ahead with AI Assistant settings. Here you can provide header by enabling this toggle message. Simply provide your header here. Similarly, you can provide a footer message, stop keywords or retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled, and here we get a default fallback message that you can customize as per your needs. Then I'm going to access this knowledge source from here, and here we have to upload a knowledge source file. Our AI assistant will only be answering on the basis of this knowledge source, so make sure that your knowledge source has all the information regarding your data backup and recovery AI assistant. And also make sure that the size of the knowledge source is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. Here I'm going to drag the knowledge source like this, and here it has been updated. It says file uploaded and processed successfully. That means I can move ahead with AI interface. Here we have to provide a header display heading name. So here I'm going to provide it as Data Backup and Recovery. Here we have to provide header display subheading name. I'm going to leave it as it is. It will appear here like this. Then we get the initial message that our AI will send to the user as its first message. You can customize it as hello, how can I assist you? As hello, how can I assist you? To register this message, click on enter and your new message will appear here. I'm going to remove this one, and here it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it displays powered by Pabbly label. To remove it, you have to select disable from the drop down, and it will stop displaying the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can also customize your privacy policy as data backup and recovery policy, and here you have to provide link of your data and backup recovery policy. And this is a very important aspect as it is the initial message that is to be sent by the user to activate the chatbot. Here I'm going to customize it as hey, I need help. Now once the user sends this message, our AI agent will be activated. Next, I'm going to move ahead with last setting as styling. So from here, you can customize your chatbot's appearance. You can change the theme from light to dark. You can change the assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can change assistant background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. You can change header profile picture that appears here, and you can even change assistant profile picture and background picture. So like this, you can modify the appearance of your AI assistant. And once you're done with all the customizations, you can enable this toggle, and then your AI assistant will be activated and become fully functional. So you can create your own AI assistant by the procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're satisfied with all the customizations, you can save your AI assistant from here and you will be good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.